Are you looking for one of the best unlimited Korean barbecue buffets in Pasay City? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're taking you to MANIMOGO Korean Restaurant, located at 140 Antonio Arnaiz Avenue, corner FB Harrison Street, Pasay City. A favorite destination for authentic Korean flavors, premium meats, and unforgettable unlimited dining experience. Whether you're dining with family, friends, and fellow food lovers, MANIMOGO promises a feast that's packed with flavor from start to finish. Gather your family, friends, or your favorite foodie buddies and enjoy unlimited Korean barbecue grilled right at your table. Every meal comes with 20 unlimited side dishes, including pressed lettuce wraps and everyone's favorite, rich, gooey, melted cheese that's perfect for dipping grilled meats. The unlimited number 1 package is only 599 pesos and includes 2 delicious barbecue favorites, Samgyupsal and Yangyum, featuring the perfect balance of lean meat and flavorful fat and offering tender, juicy bites full of smoky goodness. Along with MANIMOGO's famous Korean fried chicken, each piece is double fried for an extra crispy texture before being coated in delicious signature sauces. Choose from garlic butter chicken with its rich buttery garlic glaze, Yangyum chicken, sweet, mildly spicy, and coated in classic Korean gochujang sauce, and Ganjang chicken, savory soy garlic chicken that's incredibly addictive. One crispy bite is all it takes to understand why Korean fried chicken has become a worldwide favorite. This package is perfect for anyone craving classic Korean barbecue. Want even more variety? Upgrade to unlimited number 2 for only 649 pesos. You'll enjoy everything from unlimited number 1 plus 3 premium beef selections, Chadolbagi, Ganjang Bulgogi, and Gochujang Bulgogi. Chadolbagi is thinly sliced beef brisket that's rich, buttery, and melts in your mouth. It's best enjoyed with enoki mushrooms. The Ganjang Bulgogi features tender beef marinated in soy sauce, garlic, sesame oil, and a touch of sweetness for an irresistible umami flavor. Meanwhile, Gochujang Bulgogi brings a delicious kick with its sweet, savory, and spicy Korean chili paste marinade, creating beautifully caramelized beef that's bursting with flavor. If you're ready for the unlimited Korean barbecue experience, choose unlimited number 3 for only 699 pesos. This complete package includes everything from unlimited number 1 and unlimited number 2, plus 3 mouth-watering shrimp selections, buttered garlic shrimp, chili shrimp, and raw shrimp. Whether you love buttery seafood or spicy flavors, this package offers the complete Korean buffet experience. No Korean barbecue is complete without an amazing selection of side dishes. Enjoy unlimited servings of Korean sweet and sour pork, shredded radish kimchi, japchae, tteokbokki, fried sweet potato, pressed kimchi salad, stir-fried fish cake, stir-fried potatoes, French fries, sauteed mixed vegetables, kimbap, fermented kimchi, fruit salad, shrimp tempura, unlimited rice, seafood soup, and soybean soup. Every bite and sip perfectly complements your grilled meats, creating a true Korean dining experience. Pair your unlimited feast with refreshing drinks served endlessly. Choose from pineapple juice, red iced tea, and orange juice, perfect for cooling down after all that delicious grilling. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, having dinner with family, or simply satisfying your Korean barbecue cravings, MANIMOGO offers a warm atmosphere, generous servings, attentive service, and incredible value for money. It's a place where every meal becomes a memorable food experience. MANIMOGO Korean Restaurant is open daily from 11:30 a.m. until 11 p.m. Walk-ins are welcome. For reservations and promo inquiries, call 0968-596-3099. If you're searching for one of the best unlimited Korean barbecue buffets in Pasay City, MANIMOGO Korean Restaurant deserves a spot on your must-visit list. Come hungry, bring your family and friends, and enjoy premium meats, unlimited side dishes, delicious Korean fried chicken, refreshing drinks, and an unforgettable buffet experience. If you enjoyed this food trip, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more buffet reviews, restaurant discoveries, and amazing food adventures around Metro Manila. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next delicious food trip adventure.